Right now, a school in the Matungulu area of Machakos County has introduced lessons about hyenas due to parents' fears of attacks on their children while going to school. The area, known for marauding hyenas because of its proximity to the Oldonyo Sabuk Game Reserve and several hideouts, has seen residents suffer losses from attacks on their livestock by these animals. Now, in response to this, Baraka Awali School has implemented mitigation measures by introducing lessons about hyenas, including their lifestyles and how to cope with the beasts that have caused havoc in the area. Speaking during the commissioning of the only primary school in the area, the manager Baraka Awali School, Crispin Oloch, said that they took this initiative after realizing the havoc that the animals have caused.
When you teach the children the lifestyle of hyenas, what a hyena looks like, the children are able to identify hyenas. And even as they grow, they know how to interact with the hyenas, the kind of distance to keep, how to even spot them. Because some might see a hyena and they might think it's a dog.
Mimi nikisema fisi niko na ushuhuda ya fisi. Kwetu pahali niko kwa mboma yangu, atulali usiku. Umbwa ikiwika tunaamkanga, hata watoto wanajua kusema fisi zimekuja, kwa sababu neighbor yetu amekuliwa mbuzi, na amekuliwa mbuzi kama 3. Huyo ni neighbor pande, na hapo juu kidogo kuna shosho mwingine mzee amekuliwa pia hii Disemba amekuliwa mbuzi kama 4.
Fisi wapo, lakini sasa na hii shule kwa sababu iko karibu na watoto wanaweza kuja wakati kukua kumepambazuka, wazazi hatuna hofu tena, kwa sababu mtoto anaweza toka hata ukua popote ulipo, unaweza chungulia mtoto wako akienda shule.
Now, Tana River Women Rep Amina Dika has criticized the allocation of